Want to talk about some comments?
Sure.
So on the 2011 BMW 328i 3.0 oil filter,
Yep.
Muhammad says, you didn't drain the oil?
No.
Is that the answer?
Yeah, I did not drain the oil.
Yeah. So just no?
Yep.
I didn't?
No, I did not drain the oil.
No explanation as to you don't really need to?
You don't, oh, okay.
The oil was pretty fresh? Or?
You don't need to drain the oil.
Okay.
And to do the job, you don't need
No.
to drain the oil. But it is good practice to change the oil after the job is done.
Boom. Another satisfied customer. You're welcome, Muhammad.
Hey.
2014 Ford Explorer side mirror. Thanks. Didn't learn what size wrench/socket were used though.
Okay.
I'll thank him for the feedback. Thanks for the feedback! Exclamation point. That was from Innocent Bystander 3798. I like the names.
What's that? Yeah. That was one of the original videos we did. One of the first ones.
Yeah. That was from 5 months ago. We're a little behind on our comments. Duramax air intake hose removal. Jeff Borozowski says, fellow Paula,
Yeah, fellow Paula.
says, thank you, American flag.
Nice.
On the put a bolt through the truck frame without removing. TSW Fola says, hey, thank you, this really helped me out a lot. It's a very smart idea. My motor mount wouldn't sit correctly due to a damaged frame. Long story short, it sits now. Thank you kindly. And he's got a 76ers logo.
Yeah, I saw that.
That's a Philly guy.
You're welcome. Glad we can help. This trick has saved me many a times.
You're welcome. All right, I'm getting a little car sick. I'm going to watch the road for a bit, and then we'll check in with another viewer. Yeah. The truth about the decline of the auto parts industry. All right, and this is for Pip Bernadette. I used to sell parts for O'Reilly's.
Okay.
I ran their back counter for several years while I was in college, and the company was my worst enemy. Every day it was cut costs here, save money there, which is fine. You should try to be efficient, but the other side of the coin is you piss off your customers with cheap products. And the same people who told you to cut costs are the same ones demanding to know why sales are down. Yep, that's
wholeheartedly agree.
Every industry.
Yeah.
I'll put yes. You were an early observer.
Like I was.
Boom. We're tearing through some comments here, buddy.
Yeah.
All right, the world's most powerful chainsaw.
Uh-oh.
Yukon Freightworks Canoe Man says, my ported Echo CS1201 would slap that thing silly.
I don't know nothing about the Echo saw, but you can write it. This is an unmodded Still 090. You know what I mean? It doesn't need to be ported if you want to jab.
2012 Kia engine replacement.
Oh boy.
Any computer flashing needed? No. Short and sweet. How to loosen lug nuts without an impact gun. Guess I gotta get a lift.
Yes, I highly recommend the lift for servicing cars, but you can do this on a jack.
Yes, comma. I highly recommend the lift for servicing cars, but this technique can be performed with a jack. Just watch your knuckles on the concrete. All-Star Plumbing Remodel 1783 on the lug nut trick says, use an impact gun and compressor. Saves the back. And looks like we have some street justice.
Good.
From Willie Soire. This method saves you money by not buying that.
I was just going to say that.
I'm going to put, I agree, and that was the purpose of this video.
Right.
To show an alternate method.
And to go along with the video, it breaks lug nuts free that an impact gun and air compressor won't break through.
I agree. Period. Making a stainless steel barbecue grill, entire build. All that work for I'm just going to put, that's one way to look at it. Lug nut trick. It'll save your back, but destroy the paint on the wheels.
I've never hit a wheel yet.
Yeah. And that's from Hamster Desert Eagle. Little tiny Desert Eagle that a hamster can carry. Or is it a hamster that you carry in a holster and he fires? In 2016 Hyundai Tucson rear brake installation.
Yep.
You don't let it dangle by the brake hose. And you use the old brake pad against the caliper when you push it back, you dummy. He didn't say that part. You don't want this guy doing your brakes.
Is that what he said?
Yeah. Now, do you believe the brake lines are strong enough to it's not a
Yeah,
problem?
you're right. If that brake line, if that brake line broke, it should be replaced. Hanging a light caliper like this from, I would never let an F350 caliper hang by its brake hose.
Okay. 2006 Audi A4 PCV valve and diaphragm replacement.
Okay.
George Wallakarazowski. You didn't replace the diaphragm inside the PVC valve, yet it's in the title. You wasted my time. Honesty is out the window in the USA. Thanks for nothing. But we already had Robbie.
Yeah, I know.
Robbie Gummer 4528 said, "Buddy, diaphragm's integrated into the PCV valve. It's part of the whole assembly. So yes, he did. Chill out." I could write what he said, but we'll just leave that one alone. We'll let Street Justice do the job.
Street Justice did a good job.
Yeah, Robbie Gummer, thank you for setting George
Yep,
straight. Are we there?
Yeah.
Oh shit.